Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera is always Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 2003 Corvette Z06. Now it's fast enough on its own, just a Z06, right? I mean, they're not slow, 404 horsepower, they cruise. I mean, a 6-speed transmission, this one, black on black, which is great. However, this little guy's been fiddled with. Do I have my keys?
I have the keys.
Oh, he's got the keys. Well, this car has got a lot of little extras.
Here you go.
Thank you so much. It has got obviously the black interior. It's got a couple extra gauges here. It has had a new cam in it. It's got 410 gears in the rear. This thing has got a it's got a great trunk here. Got a little Alpine, as a young man would say, amp with beautiful bass. How low can you go?
Look at that. You got a tire inflator kit as well,
which is nice.
Big old sub, it looks like.
That's
it clips.
What it is, a sub. Yeah.
It clips. Then you got the floor mats over here. Very nice. Then these cubby holes on either side,
Look,
where you could
and
put
you
even
can see
more
there's
stuff.
the glass right there. That's neat. Nice. But this car is definitely hopped up. Let's see. It's got a full exhaust system with headers, high flow cats, bigger injectors, cold air intake. It's got a short throw shifter, which I love. 410 rears, black exterior, lowered suspension. Let's see, got a Kenwood player, 8 pillar gauges, which is always cool. It's only got 26,000 miles on it, and it is a screamer.
Yes, it is. You want to pop the hood for us?
Let's do that.
Yeah,
Let us pop the hood.
It's no joke.
No, this car is serious.
It's not kidding around, that's for sure.
The kidding around's over. It's all over.
Yeah, with the 410 gears and the short throw and everything, first gear is basically useless.
It's, hey, how are you? I'm in first, and
yeah,
now
you go
I'm in
about
second.
5 miles an hour, then you already have to shift, so you can actually start out in second with the power this thing makes.
It is
Look at that.
a beast of an engine.
I do love the red engine covers.
Who doesn't?
That's very
you
cool.
can see the headers. Oh, it's nice. It's nice.
Yeah, I don't know if the camera will pick it up down there.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, their headers are, I promise you. Anyway, why don't we start this bad boy up?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Well, it's not quiet. And we never said it was. Oh, look at that. The pop-ups. Different from the C4 that had the full 180 flip around headlights. These just pop up like normal. Still very cool though. Also got the little vent down there. That's the Z06 thing. Z06 badges. Big chrome wheels. Looks like we got some stickier tires on it too. All right, let's go for a spin. I'm in the Z06. Right now I'm going to show you the A-pillar gauges while Chris gets in. They're very cool. Very nice. They're maximum performance Stewart Warner. Very cool. You got fuel pressure there.
Oh.
And I don't know what that is, fuel air ratio maybe?
Do you have the mic?
Oh, I do have your mic. Sorry. Still in my person. There's the gauges, the odometer, 26,746 miles. And on the gauges, on the factory gauges that is, you still have water temp, oil pressure, battery voltage, and fuel like you normally would, and they all work. Very cool gauges. I don't know if you can see, but the gauges are faced with this like checkerboard flag pattern. Kind of a cool thing.
It's like a winner.
And then there's your Kenwood head unit down there, AC controls and whatnot. Factory shifter. It is a short throw though. Way down here is your traction control that we're going to leave on. Yeah, there's a tiny cup holder that's basically useless. We always make fun of that.
We have to.
There you go, Chris.
Jake.
We have to make fun of it.
He loves these C5s.
I do love C5s.
They're his favorite.
They might be my favorite generation. I don't know.
I know
They're just they're very accessible still, which I love. And they're still fast.
Oh, very.
They're extremely
excessively fast.
Extremely fast. Let's see. I think that's reverse. And I'd be correct. Back up a little bit. Over, and yes, I'm going to use second gear, which basically feels like first gear because of how short it is. I'm going to put my mic on my seatbelt.
Probably a good idea.
It'll be easier for me. Yeah, second gear feels like first gear because of the crazy short gearing. But it does mean that this thing is also crazy fast.
Oh, it's crazy fast.
Do we know the exact horsepower number?
We know it's above 500.
Okay,
We're not
so
sure.
that's I think all you need to know.
I think that's all you need, but especially with how light this is, the fixed roof. It is a silly car.
Oh, it's a very short throw. Oh, and it's notchy. I like that.
It's a wonderfully notchy little shifter.
I liked that a lot. Looks like we got rear window defogger and tint back there.
We do.
It's a wonderful addition. We have plenty of gas, which is good because I'm sure the fuel economy isn't the...
It's not the intent of this car. It's not a Yugo.
No, it's not the intent of this vehicle, and that's...
Cars will smash people's faces.
That's for sure. You know, the clutch is heavy, but it's not bad.
No, it's a dual disc clutch. It's amazingly strong.
Once you get moving, it's kind of nice actually to have that much clutch feel.
This car is built to run. They built it to run. Easy
to downshift because the shifter slots right into gear, so nice. And you get to hear it. I mean, it's loud.
Yeah, you can't miss it.
But it's not like ear-piercing loud. If you put the windows up, which I think I'm going to do, they're electric.
Yeah.
Boogie, woogie, woogie.
We love electric.
And they're tinted, which is also very nice. You got AC and stuff going on. Let's get into some of the lower gears. Fifth, maybe. 6. Oh my goodness. We're doing 40 miles an hour. Guess what RPM we're at, Christopher?
Oh my God.
1100.
We're barely at an RPM.
If you're cruising like this, the drone isn't bad. I don't know if you can see it from where you are.
But I'd have to get in front of you, and I don't want to do that.
But yeah, there's not a whole lot of drone, which is nice. I want to listen to the V8 though. I'm going to roll these back down.
Who doesn't? Man, oh man.
4th gear? 3rd gear? Ah, that's just such a good noise.
It's a race car.
The LS6 might be one of the best engines that Chevy's ever made.
It's very strong.
It's very strong. That's why you see so many people with LS1s put LS6 heads on their engines and LS6 intakes and push rods and valve springs, and they're an upgrade because they were built so well from factory.
They did a great job.
Fantastic job.
The gentleman in Bowling Green.
Bowling Green, Kentucky, the heart of America.
Oh, it is.
And the heart of Corvette buildership.
Man, oh man.
And I will say, there's not a more menacing color than a black on black.
No, it looks scary.
Although I do like that it's not black wheels. When it's too much black, it kind of just, you almost don't see the wheels.
Unless you're Batman. You need black wheels.
Right. But the chrome wheels on a black car, I think is just the coolest thing ever.
Absolutely.
Kenwood units also very cool. A little bit of an upgrade you get there. Other than that, it's pretty factory here in the interior. Not a whole lot to write home about.
I love the short throw shifter.
That is my favorite part, and the seats are still very comfy. The C5 seats, nice leather. I think they might be vinyl.
Oh yeah, it's leather, and it's easy to get in and out too. Even with the fixed roof.
Much easier than the C4.
Oh, or the C3.
Yes.
It's always fun to get in.
And yeah, the fixed roof coupes. I believe all Z06s are fixed roof.
Yes, they were in this generation.
And that's my favorite because it's all body matched. It all looks like it flows together well. The side profile is super cool. The sloped hood. It just looks like a rocket ship. And you get pop-up headlights.
It is a rocket ship.
And who doesn't love pop-up headlights?
Everyone should.
And I get to look at my air-fuel ratio and my fuel pressure over here.
You're gonna love that. I just love an air-fuel ratio. We're about to do our bean test. We're coming up to it.
Yeah, we're pulling up to the stop sign.
I hope these guys turn right and left.
Yeah, a lot of traffic ahead of us. Hopefully they get out of my way. Well, the big truck's turning out of the way, so that's a good start.
It's a great start.
Yeah, I'm doing 10 miles an hour and in 3rd gear. It's just...
That's nuts.
Oh, man.
Oh, he's turning right, which means we're ready to go.
Oh, goodness, yes. We're here at our bean test. And again, I'm going to take off in 2nd because it's the first usable gear you have.
Really, it is.
There's a truck in front of us. Gonna have to slow down.
What a noise!
Gonna have to slow down.
Oh, he's turning right.
He is turning right. He's gonna get out of my way.
Out of our way.
It's very nice of him. God, what a noise. And get on the brakes. Oh, the brakes are good.
Heavy on the brakes. Nice.
Wow. Okay.
This is a race car.
It's not slow.
It is built for a purpose, and that purpose is ripping your face off.
And disturbing your neighbors.
Oh, God, yeah.
Which
Hope your neighbors are...
only true car guys have to serve their neighbors.
All right.
Oh, man. I'm so ready for this flyby.
I'm taking your mic.
Yes, you are.
Go, go, go.
Let's do it.
Well, don't go yet. Let me get in here.
Yeah.
And look at it. It is menacing. And now, let's hear it. Birds are flying away from it. I only think he made it to fourth, and I barely think he touched it. Now let's hear him on the way back. It's only going to get better. It is. C5s are nice. They're just in a perfect price point right now. In this little point in time where you're watching it, in the year of our Lord 2025. But yeah, they're good. They're easier to get into than the C4s. They had that sill. And this one, I love the fixed roof. I know, T-tops, convertible, it's so much better. Well, not really. I barely caught up with it. Whew, it's a car. It's a car. Man, it is a well-built car. Whoever put the money into it, very good job. Good for you, sir. I mean, 06s are fast anyway, but this one, my God. It's hammer time.
Chris?
Oh, hi, Jake. So why don't you tell us all about it?
Have we mentioned that this car isn't kidding around?
Listen, let me ask you something. Do we
Yeah.
need to change your pants? Are you okay?
I think I'm fine.
That thing flew.
To be honest, it's fast, but it's not squirrely. This thing hooks.
Didn't seem like it was squirrely at all.
No! You could bang shift to this thing all day long.
Yes, you can.
And
Yes,
it's
you
just
can.
perfect. It's got the big sticky tires. I don't know what brand, I didn't look. But
Donettos.
they're radials. God, it's so
They're
good.
big. It's a nice car. It looks good, too.
And
The
honestly,
stance.
it takes about 2 minutes to get used to the clutch. And then it's good.
You'll be
and
good.
then you're just happy you have a really nice clutch to handle all this power.
You need it. You need something that strong to deal with it.
Yeah, it's a wonderful car. And if this gentleman doesn't buy it, that I think might be buying it,
Jake might have to.
I might have to.
Well, let's go back, Jake.
Let's take it back.